Hi, this is Lance at the MY4SONS warehouse, and for a few minutes we're going to show you how to assemble the new powder-coated steel cart with double axle wheels. When you take the cart out of the box, you'll find there are two bolt axles on either side of the cart. Okay, so each bolt axle has a nylock on the end, which prevents it from backing off once you've tightened it down. Just want to, and they're hand tightened. Just undo the nut, pull off one washer, grab the wheel, put the axle into the bearing, and then you put the washer on that side, and then you're going to need two wrenches. You're also going to want to open this up a little bit to clear the nut. All right, you just take a socket, and I'm holding the other side of the bolt with a wrench, and then you just turn it down. This won't, again, you can't hand tighten this because it's a nylock on purpose. Some people are concerned because they can't do it, they can't hand tighten it. We're just pulling that down to where it's just clearing the bearings but not pressing against them, so you have plenty of movement. Your wheel can roll smooth without wobbling. Okay, and just give it a final spin. That's got plenty of movement and very little sideways motion. And it's no surprise that for the other wheel you do the exact same process. Tighten down the nut until it's just snug enough so it doesn't wobble, but it gives you complete rotational movement of the wheel. Your cart will also have two lock pins. This is if you've bought it as a platinum package or if you've ordered it paired with a unit, an M4 unit. Each of these pins matches a hole in the base plate. So when you drop your M4 on, these drop in and lock it, prevent it from moving laterally. The new cart comes with standard, whether you order it as a platinum bundle or just the cart by itself. It comes with this cart pocket that holds the wands and also any accessories. This is how you attach it. You just wrap the Velcro around the bar, and I'd probably go a little tighter. It also has a couple of grommets where if you want to make it a lot more secure, you can use cable ties. Okay, we're showing the wand pocket on the back of the cart. You can also put it on any of the shelves. And you've got 3 sets of Velcro wraps. So we're going to show you how to do the mid bar on the back. There's no bottom bar for these new axles, but it's plenty stable. So you just wrap it on itself. And again, you can use cable ties through the grommets for a more permanent application. This shows the cart pocket with a couple of wands in the long pocket. You can fit more in there as well as hose. Also, we show where you can put your nozzles and your charger. A lot of people lose their charger. If you keep it in the pocket, less chance of losing it. To put the M4 on the cart, you fold up the shelves like that, and I've taken off the padding to make more room. You may or may not want to do that. Okay, the M4 cart also comes standard with a bag, and the bag is useful either for tools when you don't have the M4 here in the middle. You can hang the bag. It's got four separate buckles at the corners, and in this case we're just going to show how to attach the back buckles for use with the M4. Just show how that pops in there, and you can adjust that down. It's a good, very heavy-duty bag. We hope this helps you assemble it easily, and we wish you many years of happy spraying.